are a cleaning business owner and you're struggling with leads, listen, I get it. I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. But today I'm so excited because as a part of my newly launched MacMaids Academy, I am going to be supporting you along your journey. And one of the ways that I feel like I can support you is by offering one-on-one sessions. This is a session where we will meet via video or in person, and you will have a 1-hour session where you can ask questions. So if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like you're not sure what to do next or how to get leads or how to structure your business, this is the session for you. You can literally click below and you can schedule the one-on-one session with myself. The other things that I am offering, and it's really by popular demand, is if you need a cleaning business website, there's a flat fee for a basic website. This will get you started. That you can purchase below. I also have leads that you can purchase. Your leads you can purchase in a quantity of 4 leads. So that is, we will provide you with 4 leads for a walkthrough. And so you will be able to go to a walkthrough, give a bid to a potential client, and hopefully land that client as well. All sales are final for our leads, but let's say that for whatever reason you didn't get to do a walkthrough or what have you, and it wasn't a fault of yours or a fault of the client's, we will replace that lead. The other thing that I'm offering is the ability for MacMaids Academy for us to build and create your systems for you. So if you have systems such as a scheduling system or email marketing as an example, we will be able to assist you in setting those up. So that way, none of that stuff is standing in your way. It's taken off your plate, and we provide all of your deliverables within 1 week. So this isn't something where you're waiting months, right? The website takes a little bit longer, but your systems you get within a week, your leads you get within a week. Your one-on-one session, once you purchase it, I will contact you and we can schedule it within the week as well, okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to email info@macmaids.biz. Go to my contact page right here on my website and shoot me over a message, or you can message me through my website as well. But choose what you would like and sign up today. I look forward to working with you. I want to thank you for your support, for supporting MacMaids Academy and ultimately MacMaids, and I look forward to working with you very soon. Cheers.